In this video, I will show you how to install Zoom on laptop. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to get started with this, what you're going to want to do from your desktop is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, and in the search box, you want to go ahead and type Store. Then you should see Microsoft Store come up underneath Best Match. Give that a click to open up the store. And once the store has loaded through, what you want to do is come up to the search box at the top and search for Zoom. Now on here, it's known as the Zoom Workplace. So this is an app you can download and install on your laptop or PC. So just give it a click to be taken to the app page. Then all you need to do is go ahead and click the blue install button. As you can see, the Zoom Workplace has now been downloaded and installed on this laptop. So once it's done that, you can close down the Microsoft Store, come back down to your search box in your taskbar and search for Zoom. You should now see the Zoom Workplace app showing up underneath Best Match. Give that a click to open up Zoom. Once that's opened up, all you need to do is simply go ahead and sign in with your account. Or if you don't have an account yet, you can see underneath there's a sign up link here to get a Zoom account, which is completely free to do. Once you're signed in, you'll be on the main screen for Zoom, and you can then go ahead and use Zoom as normal. So you can set up meetings and, of course, check your schedule, set up a schedule, and do team chats and all the other features of Zoom. So that is how to install Zoom on laptop. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.